That looks good. And then your face.
ZachTV1.com. Check us out. You see him?
You ready?
Snowballs. Damn.
You watching?
He finna make it rain.
Alright, here they come.
Ah! Did I get that?
No. Close though.
Damn. The neighbor's gonna know his name.
I'm gonna put them all a little bit further, okay?
Go.
Yellow man
ready?
in this mother. It's one more in there.
There's one more in there.
Oh, what the fuck you doing, nigga?
There you go.
I got that.
You got that motherfucker.
Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Drop it.
Shoot at him. Flock up. Flock up. Right at 9. He gone. Get low with it.
The cook's right there too.
That's how you gotta do it when you're in a rush.
Big money, and I like it. Is that
Coke. You see the Coke bottle?
Yeah, I see
Zoom
it.
in on that Coke bottle.
I got
Do
it
it now, buddy. Do
I
it now.
got it.
Do it now.
That's TV1.
School is in session, baby. Where you gonna hit? What's your destination?
All we're gonna do is try to take out this Coke sign right here.
Hell no, you can't do that.
From there, that's like shooting fish in a barrel.
Uh-oh. Wow. Who taught you how to shoot so good?
Huh?
Who taught you how to shoot?
You start shooting when you're like 8 years old up here.
That's crazy, man. That's crazy, boy. You eat ravioli?
Only out of the can.
Nice, nice. You ready? So remember, you said you're gonna shoot the Coke. Look at the camera. Is that your word or no?
The Coke thing.
I'm gonna give you 5. How many shells you got in there?
5.
You got, okay, out of those 5, you got 4 tries. No, you got 5.
Take one.
Wow. Okay. You ready? Wait, I'm finna zoom in. Go. Damn. Keep going. Damn. Buddy. Whoa, whoa, buddy. John Hancock. Whoa. What? Damn.
He made me want to try that shit, bro. I'm scared.
So, what? Okay, now, what about that next target?
Yeah.
You can do that.
Yeah.
Promise the fans of Zach TV you can do it.
It's easy.
Tell the fans that.
I can do it.
Come on, let's go, let's go.
Oh, you be busting that 9 while you shoot.
Wait. The black, that's your target. Go.
The what one?
Well, let me get the that black. You see the black part that's on the first board?
Yeah.
Can you knock that down?
No, I'm going for the orange one out there.
You can't hit that, man.
Yeah.
Okay, look, come on, let's see, buddy. Damn. You are my.
No, that was it.
You are my best friend, right?
Best friend.
Nice. I don't want no beef. We don't want no beef.
Just making sure.
All right, now take that 40. Now, what can you hit with that 40?
Well, I would hit the Coke sign. Let's go out to the orange ones again.
Okay, but before you do it, could you please tell a fan something? Please just repeat what I say. Big 40.
Big 40.
On me.
On me.
Won't load the 9 up.
Big 40 on me, and it's thick.
Big 40 on me and it's thick.
Like county meat.
Like county meat.
That's from Shorty Rome. Say big up to Shorty Rome.
Big up to Shorty Rome.
Nice. We went up.
Put the 9 in.
So hold on. What's your destination again?
I'm gonna zoom in on that orange stuff out here. The top sign, center.
Top side is center. You ain't that good, buddy.
Probably not.
Okay. Damn. He had a rough childhood. Damn, they flying over here.
Hold on, look what he did to the orange at the bottom. Put a hole through that motherfucker. You see
No,
it?
I did the top one.
Man, you go.
Sorry.
That's crazy, man.
But I'm gonna take a walk out there because I know I put a couple in there.
Okay, you keep walking. I'm gonna follow you with this HD camera.
You can get that?
Yeah. I could get your pants stuck in your ass.
I got long johns on, leave me alone.
Yeah, Zach TV. Show me, just hold it up. I got you. Whoa! That's crazy,
Damn.
Chris.
That boy fucked up.
Damn, John Legend got aim, boy. It's crazy.
So we got this one, this one, this one, this one, here. I think I threw this one in up there too.
How you get that good?
What is that? So that's, I mean, that's a dead turkey, I guess. I don't know.
Wow. This is crazy, man. His first time on Zach TV, he's a champion.
All right.
He's a champion.
You want to go for the sign out there?
You already know it, buddy. You ready?
I'll go hang it back up.
Nice.
Don't get my butt.
I'm not.
Popping.
Zach TV, you already know what it is. Kirk, can I see you for a second, please, buddy? It's my best friend, y'all. This is what he did with the what?
12 gauge pump.
He did it with the pump. Just hold it for him, and he did it with that, using turkey loads. Look at the result, with pallets.
Buckshot, my nigga.
God. That is crazy. Now, y'all seen earlier what Kirk did when he shot the Diet Coke box. Y'all seen what he did with the orange targets. Damn. Having throwing snowballs. Man, that's crazy. Man, they falling big. But anyway, we in the middle of the woods. Just get a close up of the scenery. Turn around.
In the middle of nowhere.
In the middle, seriously, we in the middle. We far up north with bears, deer. What else out here?
Coyote, wolf.
Wolf and coyote. I'm talking about. This is crazy. This is a long way from Milwaukee, Chicago, from the big cities. This is crazy. I'm scared out here, but I'm protected because I got God and I got Kurt. So we good. And now I'm finna do my thing and hit the orange target. Correct?
Let me zoom in on it. And scoot the fuck back. Safety.
Zoom in on that target once again. Safety first. Safety is always on.
Orange.
Guys. Safety is always on. You can zoom in. You zoom in there?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready.
Niggas
Kurt,
on
where
and
did you
popping.
Right there.
Right here?
Yeah. I was probably a little bit more to the right, but just so I was shooting straight on.
You ready? Up or down? Which one?
Dude, get the up one.
Zoom it in?
Yeah. Man, that bitch real. You see it? Hipping holes in this motherfucker. Don't steal from him.
Shorty Rome said it best. Big 40 on me and it's thick like county meat.
meat. My nigga.
Free the guys.
Free the guy.
How does it look so far? The target.
Good, my nigga.
Like it's full of holes.
Okay, now can you come in for a second, buddy?
Free the guy, my
Now, what can
nigga.
you-
Joe,
Could you hit this blank?
Maya, Zach, all y'all niggas.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
What he shooting at?
That black target.
One hand or two.
One hand or two. What the fans want? The fans want.
One hand, gangster style.
No.
Yeah, you see the paper moving?
Did the paper move?
Yeah.
Wow. Let me load that up for you again, buddy. Now you ready? You're
And we got plenty of shells.
plenty of shells, plenty of them. But we're gonna bring this to an end, okay, y'all? We in the middle of nowhere. Look at the guy plowing.
You trying to be nosy.
In the middle of nowhere.
Your other fingers, they wrap around the front, and then you want your thumb to be straight forward, so it's in line with your shooting finger, like that. And then that's the proper grip, so that controls the recoil. But
So,
with this one,
trigger finger
yeah, you want your thumb down here. Like that. Just like right like that. So it's keeping the gun steady. And then when you're ready to shoot, you just bring your trigger finger in and let it ride.
So who up first? No, you gotta cock it, buddy.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Do what Kirk said, buddy. What you doing?
Putting on my pants for the fans to see my face. No babies out here, 90s baby.
Oh, shit, he said.
Big 40 on me, thick like county me.
Where your thumb? Whoa, whoa, look how he's... Why you got your gun like that, buddy?
Because then you know where it's pointed the whole time.
Nice, because I thought you had a cast on.
No.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Nice.
Shells up out of 'em.
Go load that up for me, buddy. Damn.
Big snowball just came down and hit my wrist.
How you feel about the toys?
Like a kid in a candy store, man. I love it.
Does Zach TV got nice toys?
They do. We'll have to go out here with some more sometime.
Nice.
Bring out the long range rifle and let you scope something.
Ooh, that's what you got? That's what's up. Now what's up?
280 Remington bolt action.
Ooh, what about that XD you've been talking about?
XD. It's still in the sights, man. I just need the money. Hopefully I can sell something, you know, and get some extra money.
When you get that, you gonna come out here and have fun or what?
Hell yeah.
You gonna invite Zach TV?
Every time.
Every time. That's what's up.
Hit what?
Nice. Hit the snowballs. Show the snowballs.
On top of 'em, you see 'em?
You
Baby?
getting in? You showing the snowballs on each one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see what you made of, my nigga. He ain't hit shit yet.
Your turn, buddy. Look at him. Look at his face. Look at his face, man. What's funny?
Yeah, you did awesome.
Your turn, buddy.
Let's see how this go. Yeah, either.
Oh, buddy.
That one's frozen on.
Yeah, right. You ready? Your turn. You want to go?
Yeah.
He said it's frozen on.
I just rolled the safety up. Hey, I got one.
That's good. You got one? Yeah.
You're a little right.
Hey, it's no more in there, buddy.
I ain't gonna leave you with two.